Robert Lee, I'm the course author of SANS ICS515, the active defense course, which is really focused on industrial network monitoring and incident response. A little over a decade ago, I created this course because I saw a real gap in folks that knew how to hunt in those industrial networks and respond to the threats they found. That gap still exists today, but we see a lot of professionals coming in, taking this course, and being able to go right back into the workplace and find those threats. ICS515 has a lot of hands-on labs and real-world malware and capabilities that students get hands-on with to really understand the practical skills they'll have to put into play. So, of course, there's a lot of lecture and learning, but it's really those hands-on labs on real industrial control systems that really drive the most value out of the course. Anybody that's looking into industrial networks or actually dealing inside of industrial control environments or the threats around them really need this course. So you don't need to be an ICS expert to come in and take ICS515. It's perfectly fine for IT security professionals to come in. We have a lot of material at SANS to kind of up-level you on the control system knowledge. But if you're also in the field, again, response teams, threat intel, forensics teams, network analysts, those folks are going to get a lot of value out of what they can take from the course and immediately apply back at work. The course is available in person, of course, but also live online, following along while the course is being taught in person, or on demand at your own pace. To learn more about ICS515, head over to sans.org/ICS515 to get hands-on, to get insights, and be able to go back and protect the infrastructure that supports all of our families and all of our communities.